In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete phone number from Discord. If you've added your phone number to Discord for verification or security in the past, and you're ready to remove it, maybe for privacy reasons or because you've changed numbers, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish in just a moment, with clear explanations along the way. First, open Discord on your desktop or in your web browser. Look down to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. This is the User Settings button. Click that gear to open your settings. Inside Settings, you'll land on a section called My Account. If you're not already there, select My Account from the left-hand menu. This page shows your core account details, like your username, email, and, if you've added one, your phone number. It's the hub for managing how your account is identified and secured. Now, look for the phone number section. If a number is linked to your account, you'll see it displayed here along with an option to remove it. If you don't see a phone number at all, that means there isn't one linked and you're already set. But if your number is listed and you want it gone, click the Remove option right beside it. Discord will ask you to confirm this change by entering your account password. This confirmation step helps protect your account and ensures only you can make security-related changes. Type in your password carefully and submit. Once confirmed, your phone number will be unlinked from your Discord account. That's really all there is to it. To verify the change, you can glance back at the same spot in My Account. You should no longer see your number there, and you may see an option to add a phone number again in the future if you ever choose to re-enable it. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Removing your phone number can change how you log in or recover your account if you previously relied on text messages. Make sure your email is up to date and secure, and that you have any authentication apps or backup methods you prefer set up and ready. Keeping your recovery options current is the best way to avoid lockouts later on. And that's it. Gear icon, My Account, remove the number, confirm with your password, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Discord account exactly the way you want it.